Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 8.2, question number 10. A circular plate expands uniformly under the influence of heat. If its radius increases from the 10.5 centimeter to 10.75 centimeter, then find an approximate change in the area and the approximate percentage change in the area. Here, the radius of the given plate R equal 10.5 centimeter. dr, change in radius, is 10.75 minus 10 equals 0.75 centimeter. Area of the plate equal pi r squared. Approximate change in area differentiate pi r squared is 2 pi r dr. 2 pi r dr. Then we'll put the values. 2 pi r is here 10 minus 10.5 is here 0.25. 2 pi r is 10.5 and dr is 0.25. Multiplication of these numbers will get 5.25. 10.5 into 0.25 is 5.25. 5.2 into 2, that is 2 into 0.25 is 0.5. 0.5 into 10.5 is 5.25 pi centimeter square. Now approximate percentage change. Approximate percentage change in area equal 5.25 pi over actual area pi r square. 10.5 into 10.5 into 100 equal, the pi is cut, then 5.25 over 10.5 into 10.5 is 110.25 into 100 is given 0.0476 percentage. Here approximately you can write as 4.76 percentage. Then question number 11. A coat of paint of thickness 0.2 centimeter is applied to the faces of a cube whose edge is 10 centimeter. Use the differentials to find the approximately how many cubic centimeters of paint is used to paint this cube. Also calculate the exact amount of paint used to paint this cube. Here first given thing, edge of the cube. That edge of the cube equal A equal 10 centimeter, and dA change in, and dA EA equal, here change is 0.02 centimeter is changes in edge, means edge length, that is 0.2 centimeter. Now volume, we know that volume of cube equal A cube. Approximate amount of cubic centimeters of paint is used to paint this cube is approximate amount of cubic cubic centimeters of paint is used. Paint is used in this cube is differentiate I cube, that is it becomes 3a squared dA. Here 3a square is 3 into a is 10 square into dA is 0.2, which is equal 3 into 0.2 is 0.6 into 100, 0.6 into 100 equal 60 centimeter cube. Exact amount of paint used is outer volume minus inner volume, that is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. F is the function of cubic centimeter. Here 10 point, x is 10 plus 0.2 is 10.2 cube minus 10 cube. 10.2 cube by calculation it gives 1061.208 minus 1000, which is equal 61.208 centimeter cube. So very small little difference will come by using the formula differential as well as actual volume formula. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.